Hello, my dear ones. This is the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today, we will look at the Bulgarian method of casting on stitches with a thick edge. It is also called the crosswise cast-on or Bulgarian start. This cast-on is well suited for knitting ribbing 2x2 or if you need to knit without ribbing. Let's get started. Fold the end of the yarn in half. The resulting double strand should be several times longer than the width of the fabric we need. After that, take the end of the yarn and the strand going to the ball, and hold this double strand between your index and middle fingers. Next, place the double yarn over the thumb of your left hand from bottom to top and hold all these strands with 3 fingers, the pinky, ring, and index. This end of the yarn should also be lowered down. As a result, we have 2 strands on the thumb. And 1 on the index finger, which goes to the ball. After that, insert 2 needles into the loop on the thumb from bottom to top. Catch the yarn from the index finger. Pull it down through the loop on the thumb. Remove your finger and tighten. We have created the first edge stitch. After that, take the short end of the yarn. Hold it together with the 2 needles, we do not need it. Place the double yarn over the thumb of your left hand. The single yarn goes on the index finger, as in a regular classic cast-on. After that, we cast on a stitch in the usual classic universal way. That is, we bring the needles down. Insert them into the loop on the thumb. Catch the yarn from the index finger and pull it down through the loop on the thumb. Remove your finger and tighten. After that, we will knit the next stitch using the following method. We will change the position of the yarn on the thumb. That is, we will move the finger counterclockwise and place the yarn away from us. Insert the needles into the loop like this from above. Catch the loop that is further from us. Place the needles under it. Catch the yarn from the index finger and pull it into the loop on the thumb, up like this. We pull out the finger, we tighten it. We can notice that we have 3 loops on the needles. The first edge stitch goes separately. And then we have what seems like a double stitch. That is 2 stitches. Next, we will alternate the position of the yarn on the thumb. The next stitch is done with the classic method. That is, the finger moves clockwise, and the yarn comes towards us. We lower the needles down, until a loop forms on the thumb. We insert the needles down into the loop on the thumb. We grab the yarn from the index finger, and pull it down into the loop on the thumb. After that, we change the position of the thumb. The finger moves counterclockwise and grabs the yarn from this side. The yarn is already coming from us. We insert the needles near the thumb. We grab this yarn that is positioned further away. We place the needles under it. We grab the yarn from the index finger and pull it into the loop on the thumb. This way, we tighten it. We have formed what seems like a double stitch again. But these are two separate stitches. This way, we will continue to knit the necessary number of stitches. We end up with such an edge. Very beautiful, and holds its shape very well. After casting on the necessary number of stitches, we remove one needle. We turn the knitting around. I recommend that the next row be knitted purlwise, or knit it right away. A 2x2 ribbing looks beautiful, or some main pattern. I think this cast-on method will come in handy for you someday. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Subscribe, like, and see you, my dear, in the next lesson. Bye bye.